Hi all, welcome to TechFest Java. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the features called CommandLineRunner. Basically, there are some business scenarios where we want to declare or define some any property file, or we want to do some functionality whenever our microservice gets started, like log folder preparation or log cleanup or any other activities like cache cleanup or something. Or so that feature when we are deploying or when our microservice get started, after the as just after the application gets started, the first thing which we want that particular functionality should run. So those kind of functionalities we can mention or write using that command line runner. Command line runner is nothing, basically it's an interface which will provide some method to implement, and that method will run whenever our application gets started. So let's just start. In previous videos we have already seen that how we can define the application property, their values, and how we can use those values, everything. So now just jump into directly for command line runner thing. For that I have just simply created that application, Spring Boot application, which we have been created in previous videos. So I'm not going to that. So let's just try to run this, and need to here we can see that we can use the command line runner. Okay, so this command runner basically provides one run method, which is simply nothing but we are passing a string type argument in that, and that value we can define there, and we can write whatever the functionalities we want to perform whenever our application, Spring Boot microservice application, gets started or deployed on server. So I'm just going to write something. Okay, I'm just going to write a print command. Hello command line runner demo via TechFest Java. Fine. Now this application I have set up, this need to be run on 9091 port, and yeah, that's. So let's just try to run this code. Okay, you can see that whenever I have started the Tomcat, it just after the starting a Tomcat and server get started, an application being deployed and started, it directly printed this part. So this functionality could be run just after the application gets started. This is the use of command line runner interface. It is very useful in case we want to perform any cleanup or any operations which is basically executed automatically whenever our application gets started. So that's it, the use of the command line runner. The similar way we have one more interface called application runner. We will see their demonstration in next videos. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, comment out. Thank you for watching.